Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to filter all the comments in your video in TikTok. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's now open up our TikTok app first. Okay, so if you want to filter all the comments, you must know one thing, that is, if you turn on all comments options on your TikTok, then comments on your videos or the recent comment on your videos will be hidden unless you approve them. Now to do that, let's go to your profile. You can see the profile button at the bottom right corner of our phone. Just tap there, and after that you can see the three line icon on the top right corner of your phone. Just tap there, and after that you can see the settings and privacy option over here. Just go inside there. And after that you can see the privacy option appear under the category account, which is the second option. Just tap there, and you can see under the safety category the comments option is over here. Just tap there, and you can see the filter all comments option over here under the second category, that is comment filters. Now if you turn it on and like this, you can see after I tapped on the toggle icon, from gray it turned to green, and now it had the filter all comments feature by TikTok is enabled or on our videos. So now this means that comments on your videos will be hidden unless you approve them, and you can see the option saying the same thing. Recent comments on your videos will be hidden unless you approve them, and that's it guys. So to approve them, you must come back here and tap off the filter all comments option over here like this, and it will be turned off and all your comments will be able to be viewed. And there guys, filtering all your comments in TikTok videos is this easy. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos.